you guys have been watching this channel for any length of time, you know that I love Mexican food. And one Mexican dish that I haven't tried yet on the channel are fajitas. So I'm super excited to show you guys this super easy sheet pan fajita recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make it in a traditional fajita, in fajita bowls, and also in wraps. I'm gonna shut up and let's just get right into this recipe because I know you guys are dying. I know you guys are dying. I'm gonna shut up and just get right into this recipe because I know you guys are dying to see it. You only need 4 main ingredients plus spices and oil to make these super budget-friendly sheet pan fajitas, so let's go. Start by slicing lengthwise 3 large bell peppers. I used green, red, and yellow because color is the spice of life. I don't know, I think I just made that up. Next, we're gonna do the exact same thing with some mushrooms. I did half a pound of white mushrooms here. You can also use brown mushrooms, whatever is fine. And then, again, slice up lengthwise half of a large red onion, and then choose a plant-based protein. I here used about half a package of soy curls that I soaked, but if you don't have soy curls or can't access them where you live, tempeh or extra firm tofu would be fine. Now, I didn't have quite enough room for this to fit all in one sheet pan, so move them over to 2 if that's what you need to do so things cook properly and they don't just steam. You want things to crisp up nicely and get golden brown. Then add your spice blend. All the spices I have listed below in the video description for you. Add those in and then mix everything together with your hands. Make sure each vegetable piece is completely coated in a delicious blend. And then we're just going to pop that in the oven, bake it for about 30 minutes until it comes out looking something like this. Your veggies should be nice, roasted, golden brown on the edges. Same with the soy curls. It's gonna smell so good. Now that your fajita veggies have finished baking, this is just the beginning of the fun. Now you can decide how you want to enjoy them. You can turn this into a delicious, nourishing fajita bowl with a cooked grain like quinoa on the bottom with some fresh greens or any other veggies you like. Or if a handheld wrap or burrito type situation is calling your name, you can absolutely do that. Just add in your favorite toppings and mix-ins like sour cream, salsa, lime juice, fresh veggies, and fill it up with those delicious fajita veggies. This is so good, and it makes for great meal prep, great leftovers. I just freaking love this recipe. There's so many options. I kid you not, after I filmed this recipe video for you guys, I made another batch of these fajitas the next day because these were so good. Brad and I literally devoured all of this food that you see here in one night. So good, so delicious. Hey look, I made a smiley face. Okay guys, seriously, 10 out of 10. I'm so glad you stuck around for as long as you did because now you guys know how to make sheet pan fajitas. They're so easy. This is totally gonna change your summer. It's so hands-off, so simple, and it's so customizable. I love how quick this is to throw together, and it's something that the whole family will love. If you guys love this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? And that's it. Love you guys, and I'll see you in a future or past video. Bye! Tequila!